You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's giving here with another reaction. Yeah. Today we are with Mavado. Yeah, man, the Gully God. You know, I'm gonna hear a new song from Gully God. So there we have to cherish that one. I don't know what it sounds like. I don't know what it's about. But I want to name God Now Sleep. So yeah, I guess I know what it's about. So I could jump in the water and here with the G office send man. Let's go, man. Come on. Yeah, man. Big up the Gully God too, man. Big up the Bumbo Clag Gully God. God Now Sleep. JAMAICA'S. Big up myself. Let's go. This is how we do when Dante release. From behind the bars.
Yeah.
Humble class. You got the yard?
Yeah.
You got the yard?
Good. When you come from a certain place, them no show love. Come from a certain race, no love.
What on the
Them
man?
love when you fall on your face and slow down.
What on the man? When the guy just walk out that door there, that look like a Jamaica, I see mango China and it's a Florida in there.
Yeah.
Jamaica. Jamaica.
Good.
Gully God, talk to
When
them.
you come from a certain place, them no show love.
Never.
Come from a certain race, no love. Them love when you fall on your face and slow down.
When you come from certain place, certain people don't like to certain people reach certain level. Imagine this. You go school, half of your life. Finish school, go uni, finish uni, go whatever, get your PhD, get whatever. And I get to you like Vado. With basic education then. Just using Vado for example. Not saying he does have basic education. But I get to youth. I fought from nothing. I'm past you, brother. Have more money than you, have more wealth than your riches. How you feel? I don't think Nigeria talk about dread so. When you come from a certain place, hard. Golly God, define the odds and do it. Bumbo clot. Rope with them.
Yeah.
One Golly God.
When you come from a certain place, them no show love.
Them not show none.
Come from a certain race, no love.
When you're black, you're at the
Them
back.
love when you fall on your face and slow down.
See, I can't tell you.
Please to travel with faith and hold on.
Golly God, what one?
Mama did tell me and Papa did tell me the truth. Them fuck up and thief and them take poor people for food.
When you fuck up and thief, remember I liar woman who rob up Mavado one heap of money. And them think that G attack, but the G put everything in a one song. Alright, R.I.P. to Mavado mother. Sleep in peace, mommy.
Yeah.
Go this side.
Good.
Vado, what go now?
When you
Come from a place,
them no
there's a
show
show love.
Come from a certain race, no love. Them love when you fall on your face and slow down. Please to travel with faith and hold on.
One faith.
Mama did tell me and Papa did tell me the truth.
What one?
Them fuck up and thief and them take poor people for food. No hospital for the sick and the kids don't have no school.
We see it every day. How much kids up at hospital now no bed for lie down upon adult same way. Like, wagwan.
No hospital for the sick and the kids don't have no school.
Feel like one of other, sir.
Them set only fans for the girls and the boys getting groomed. Mr. Big Man, why you do it? God not sleep. Gunman and crooked police. God not sleep.
Not
Never
sleep.
bow but me fall on my knees. Cause God not sleep. I'ma rise like the sun from the east.
Cause God not sleep.
Me no care how them vex. People are die through loneliness. Poverty and pressure, me know them stress. Fuck up inside, but I show them bet. Come on, live up.
Mavado, we want more bumbo class song, dog. Mavado, we want more song, dog. Father, we want more song, dog.
Yeah.
Father, we want more song, dog. From my heart, bro, we want more song, bro. We want more of them song, ya, dog. When you come from a place, them not sure. What one?
Come from a certain place. Them love when you fall on your face.
And slow down. Your voice.
To travel with faith.
Your voice.
And hold on.
Father, what one again?
Mama did tell me and Papa did tell me the truth.
What one?
Them fuck up and thief and them take poor people for food. No hospital for the sick and the kids don't have no school.
Talk to them.
Them set only fans for the girls and the boys getting through.
Talk to them.
Mr. Big Man, why you do it? God not sleep. Gunman and crooked police.
Talk to them.
God not sleep.
Burn them.
Never bow but me fall on my knees.
Pray, we are pray. God not sleep.
I'ma rise like the sun from the east.
Because what?
God not sleep.
Mavado, we need more of them song, dog.
Me no care how them vex. People are die through loneliness.
Sure.
Poverty and pressure, me know them stress. Fuck up inside, but I show them bet.
The man said people are died through loneliness. Perfect example, through COVID. When time of COVID, them tell us say you can't go see your parents, you can't go see your this, you can't go see the elderly them. Because one of the people them fi died of loneliness. Because enough of them people you depend upon we, the younger one, them fi look after them. And them tell us say you can't go see them because of isolation. Aye. That don't forget. Talk to them, Mavado.
Poverty and pressure, me know them stress. Fuck up inside, but I show them bet. Come and live off the poor, them sweat. When you die in a poverty, your soul can't rest. Psychologically, at the rope, them get. But we born blessed. Not just through a certain place. Them no show love. Just through a certain race. No love. And them love when we fall back.
On your face and slow down.
Needs to travel with faith and hold on.
I find a video shoot, man. But some clips shoot that Jamaica look like.
All my life, mama people. I cry all my life, mama people. We no care how them vex. People are die through loneliness. Poverty and pressure, me know them stress. Fuck up inside, but I show them best. Fuck up inside, but I show them best.
Bumbleclaw, one gully gut, man. Music scene miss you, bro, I swear. I'm not sure love. You come from a certain place. Them love.
And them love when we fall, but we face. And slow down.
No. Bumbleclaw, yeah, vice youth.
Is on them conscience. Yeah.
You're Bumbleclaw, vice youth. God in the earth. Rupi, big up on yourself. Bumbleclaw, Gully got a God in the earth. No pussy. Gully got a God in this Bumbleclaw here. And that the man I talk about. The man say, yo, when you forward from a certain place, bro, you don't get no luck, bro. Yo, every note hit, bro. Every note hit me wicked, dog. No joke. Yo, Gully God, hear me say, bro. We need we need some more of them songs, bro. Mavado has become this column in a dancehall where it cannot be moved, it never will be moved. We just need some more. Just for your fans, them, bro. Believe what me I say. Just for your fans, them, dog. We need it, dog. We need it. We need it, bro. Yo, all the rate Gully God drop a like on this bumbo clat. And no matter what you say, Gaza, Deta, Fort Jenna, anything you say, no matter, on a affiliate Gully God regardless. Drop a bumbo clat like on the stream, pan the thing, dog. Pan the video, bro. I swear. Yo, look more, yeah, man. Cause right now, man, listen to the song I get, dog. I swear. Look more, man. I'm out. Sick lad.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm Solomon Vice of the Real Artist Progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real Artist represent.